In the field of occupational health and safety, our specialty practice is to develop and deliver programs and services that increase the health and productivity of workers. This service we offer is important from the very beginning of an employee's career. In the next few episodes, we will discuss the value of pre-placement health screening and how it is an integral part of the hiring process. Using pre-established standards will ensure a proper work environment fit and a way to bolster the health and productivity of your workforce.
Welcome to this episode of Workplace Health, Improving Employee Health and Productivity, with President of Workplace Health, Inc., Shauna Dunbar.
In occupational health nursing, we've long known the value of a structured, comprehensive pre-placement or post-offer evaluation. In other words, an evaluation after a candidate has been through the interview process, but before they actually are hired and begin working for your company. Of course, a drug test is paramount in our current American climate to ensure that the new worker is not using illicit drugs. In our experience, drug users seek out employment at companies who do not test for drugs. So in this day and age, that is the first recommendation to all employers, no matter what your size. Do a drug test before you start someone working. But what else can an employer do to boost the health and productivity of a new worker? It begins with hiring the person who is capable of performing the essential job functions. Now, how do we determine the job functions? Well, what we have found is a simple assessment can be done to determine the essential physical requirements of any job. I mean, beyond what training and experience you seek in a candidate, but establish the criteria of what functionally the worker will be required to do in this job. How much bending, lifting, carrying, driving, or operating equipment is essential to this particular job. This is such an important tool in making sure you hire a candidate who can safely perform all of the essential job functions. There are many great resources for employers to use in developing these criteria. In the state of Ohio, for example, our Ohio Bureau of Workers' Compensation provides grants to companies to develop these standards. In other states, you might ask your workers' compensation insurance vendor if they have resources for these, or simply call us here at Workplace Health and we would be happy to find some suitable resources for you. Please stay tuned for the next episodes as we continue our discussion on the value of pre-placement health screening. Now, go make it a great day.
Thank you for watching Workplace Health. For more great information, visit www.workplacehealthinc.com. Also, browse the other shows found right here at Northeast Ohio Biz TV Shows.